In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set text chat to friends only on Epic Games. Adjusting your text chat settings on Epic Games can help you control who is able to communicate with you while using Epic Games services. By changing the text chat permission to friends only, you can limit conversations to people you already know instead of allowing messages from everyone. To begin, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once you are there, log into your Epic Games account. After you successfully sign in, you will be taken to your account page where you can access different settings and preferences. Next, look at the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, select Account to access your account settings. Once you are inside the account settings page, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Find the option called Parental Guidance Controls and click on it. This section contains different controls that allow you to manage communication and other account permissions. After opening the Parental Guidance Controls section, you will be asked to enter your PIN. Enter your PIN to access the available settings. This step is required because these controls are protected to prevent unauthorized changes to your account settings. After entering your PIN, look for the Social Permissions section. This area contains options related to social interactions and communication settings on your Epic Games account. Scroll down until you find the Epic Text Chat Permission option. Once you locate it, open the setting and change the permission option to Friends Only. This will update your text chat settings so that only your Epic Games friends can communicate with you through text chat. After selecting Friends Only, your setting will be saved and your Epic Games text chat permission will be updated. You can now have better control over who can send you text messages while using Epic Games. Keep in mind that these settings only affect the text chat permission available through Epic Games. You can always return to the same section in your account settings if you want to review or change your communication preferences in the future. And that's it! You have successfully changed your Epic Games text chat setting to friends only. This is a simple way to customize your account privacy settings and manage your online communication experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,